Recently, one of my reps has been all over GE, and we started to prospect into GE probably 2 months ago, and today we have 8 different opportunities at GE. A lot of that is using the information that DiscoverOrg provided.
We have used DiscoverOrg in 2 instances to really help supplement our prospect database. The first was back in September. We decided to do a targeted sales campaign against the Global 2000 list. So we bought Forbes' Global 2000 list and loaded all those accounts into Salesforce. Supplemented, obviously we had a fair number of them already, but loaded those in and then used DiscoverOrg to populate contact info on all of those accounts in North America. And that was really useful. I know that the contacts that we got from DiscoverOrg were particularly useful in some instances in getting us into those accounts.
Our CRM's data is horrible. Our bounce rates were upwards of between about 35 and 40%. Before we had the entire outbound SDR team just use DiscoverOrg solely for any email campaigns, and our bounce rate has gone down to sometimes as low as 5%. We've been trying to do more on-site campaigns, territory specific. For instance, we run a lot of campaigns if we're running one in Texas, in New York City, in Seattle or the Pacific Northwest, we're able to drill down in terms of location, company size, everything a rep needs to really sort of reach out to their respective territory. And our on-site campaigns have been some of the more successful campaigns we've had. And we're able to set up tons of meetings for reps when they come on site. And on-site meetings just close phenomenally or much quicker. We're able to build better relationships with that. So that has been a big initiative in Q1 and now going into Q2. We get most of our meetings from email. IT doesn't like to pick up the phone as much as we would like, but I know from an account executive perspective, we use the DiscoverOrg native app, so it integrates with Salesforce, and our AEs aren't building prospecting campaigns, but they do need access to the organizational chart. They need to see who other stakeholders might be in a deal, who other decision makers are, and so I know that they use direct lines, they find and discover, they find sort of those phantom decision makers, influencers on deals through the org chart, and they get real-time triggers through DiscoverOrg, so they know if anything changes in a company that they're currently working, which could torpedo a deal or help progress it.